I'm Mike DiStallo, President and CEO of All Type Welding and Fabrication. We are a short-run, custom sheet metal fabrication and welding business. As we saw our sales kind of flattening out and becoming stagnant, we realized that we needed to do something different, out of the box, and I personally realized that the digital marketing, the internet, the website was a golden opportunity to get our presence out there on a broader basis, but we really didn't have the tools to do that ourselves. For us to invest in marketing was difficult over the years because we didn't previously have marketing firms that really understood what we did. What makes SyncShow unique, at least from my perspective, is they understand manufacturing and know how to work with a manufacturer and help them present their strengths to the marketplace, and that's been invaluable to our company. Marketing is not something that we're experts on, and they are highly educated and experts in that area and have produced well for us. We started working with SyncShow and had them redo our website and build a marketing strategy for us. When we switched our original website to the new website, we initially saw some activity and had the opportunity to capture some new business. So we knew early on that this was the direction for us to go with our company. I believe the staff and the company itself truly understands the marketing side of manufacturing. If you think that it's going to take more of your time and add more burden to your daily operations, their staff and personnel make it very easy for you not to have it consume a lot of your time. This is the first time I feel in 31 years, that we've developed a relationship with somebody that truly takes the time and effort to understand what we do and present it well in the marketplace. I would highly recommend, if you're not getting the results that you feel you should be getting in your marketing program, to contact them, because they have really improved our position in the marketplace and our exposure, and it was some of the best invested money that we did in 2017.